Welcome back. I'm David. This is SciTales. Here's a number that should make you sit up. Workers using AI on the job might be handing back finished work every day, and a huge share of it is quietly making things worse, not better. Companies are pouring money into AI, expecting a productivity miracle. Instead, researchers just put a name on a very real, very expensive problem hiding inside that miracle. Today, we're telling the true story of the AI practical workflow, how it's supposed to work, where it actually breaks, and the research that just proved it. Segment 1. Let's start with the promise. An AI workflow, in its simplest form, isn't just ask a chatbot a question. It's a chain: research, drafting, refining, and publishing or executing. Each step handed to AI or a human, depending on who does it better. Done well, this chain compounds. A task that used to take an hour of searching, writing, and formatting can shrink to minutes. Freeing people for judgment calls a machine still can't make. That's the theory, and at the level of individual tasks, it holds up. Controlled studies consistently show real, measurable time savings when AI is used well on a specific, well-scoped job. Segment 2. But here's where the theory gets complicated. Individual task speed and organizational productivity are not the same thing. A workflow is only as strong as its weakest handoff. And when AI output gets passed to a human without real refinement, verification, or context, the chain doesn't save time. It just moves the work downstream, disguised as finished. The habit of treating AI as a slot machine, pull the lever, take whatever comes out, turns out to be the single biggest reason so many AI rollouts feel disappointing, even when the underlying model is genuinely capable. Segment 3. This year, researchers at Stanford and BetterUp put a name on exactly that failure mode. They call it Workslop, AI-generated content that looks finished but is actually unhelpful, low effort, or low quality, and gets passed along anyway. Their data is startling. 40% of workers reported receiving Workslop in just the past month, and unwinding a single incident took nearly 2 hours of deciphering, correcting, or simply redoing the work. Priced out, that comes to roughly $186 per employee per month in lost productivity, which, scaled to a 10,000-person company, adds up to more than $9 million a year, quietly burned. The workflow wasn't broken because the AI was bad. It was broken because nobody in the chain was doing the one job AI still can't do for you, deciding whether the output was actually good enough to send. Segment 4. So why does this matter to you, whether you manage a team or just use AI to write your own emails? Because the difference between an AI workflow that saves you real time and one that quietly costs you money isn't which tool you pick. It's whether a human stays in the loop at the one step that matters: judgment. The most effective workflows researchers are finding in 2026 aren't the ones that hand everything to AI. They're the ones that narrow AI to a single, well-defined pain point, prove it actually saves time, and only then expand. Always with someone checking the output before it moves downstream. AI didn't remove the need for good judgment. It just moved judgment to a new, more dangerous place. The moment right before you hit send. Let's bring it home, in plain words. AI workflows work brilliantly at the level of a single task: research, drafting, refining, executing. But strung together carelessly, without verification at each handoff, they produce workslop. Fast, confident, and quietly wrong, costing real time and real money to clean up. The fix isn't using less AI. It's keeping one non-negotiable step in every workflow: a human who actually checks the work before it leaves the building. Next episode, is there a second Earth hiding in our own solar system? I'm David. Thanks for listening. Stay curious.